Going?
Yeah.
Okay, folks, this trailer I've had since I bought it brand new in 1996, a long time ago. Since then, I've changed the floor. This used to be a wooden floor trailer. It's an 18-foot trailer. I changed the wooden floor 3 times already. But about 2 years ago, I said I'm not going to do that anymore. I ripped it out. I put this trailer on a rotisserie, and I gusseted the entire floor area, put in some 2x3 11-gauge beams, and then put this diamond plate on it. And the fenders were junk. They're all, smashed up. So I'm finally getting around to putting the new fenders on now, welding it in, because this has been probably the longest owned vehicle I've ever had, outside of my Chrysler 300. So you got to take care of these trailers. I see a lot of trailers rolling around the street here in San Antonio that are just junk. They take a lot of work to get them up to the standard that we want. But once you get them there, you got to maintain them there. So this trailer went through a complete restoration. I put conduit underneath it, ran the wires through it, which yet to be hooked up fully. I'm going to put LED lights on the trailer. So I'm just going to do a little bit of welding right now. Lily's using my phone to take the video. So I'm just going to weld a little bit. There's a big gap here. I'm going to close this up. A little bit bigger than I want it to be. Relatively big. I don't know why it's cutting so big, but I don't like that. That gap is way too big. It just grew on me, so I'm going to have to cut that weld that I just put in and put a clamp to pull the fender in a little bit more. This one right here will be okay. Yeah, I'm just walking the puddle forward, changing the heat where it goes into the fender and then into the jack. Just keep this thing moving. Should be it. Then right here on the side. Walk it back and forth. Let the weld fall in on itself and fill it in. One more in the bottom. Good enough. Thanks, Lily.